Making a table in Google Docs can be confusing if you don't know how to create it and format it properly for your needs. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a table and format it the right way. Without wasting any time, let's get started. You might face two scenarios. Either you copy a table or create one from scratch. If you're copying a table from another tool like Excel or ChatGPT, my suggestion is first bring it into Google Sheets. Then format it the way you want, just like I did here. Select all the table cells, copy them, and paste them into Google Docs. You'll be asked whether to link it to the sheet or unlink it. I usually go with the unlinked option. If you copy and paste directly from Excel or any other tool, you might lose formatting or sometimes even data. Now you can edit and format this pasted table just like any table created in Google Docs. You can add or delete rows and columns, and you also get access to all table options. I'll show all of these in just a moment. For now, let's delete this table and create one from scratch. Go to the top menu. Click on Insert, then select Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you want, and your table will be created. Now let's see how to edit and format the table. If you hover over the top row, you'll see an option to pin it. If your table is long and spans multiple pages, the pinned row will stay at the top on every page. If you right-click anywhere inside the table, you'll see many options. For example, insert Title Row, which merges all cells in that row. You can also merge cells manually by selecting multiple cells, right-clicking, and choosing Merge Cells. On the other hand, you can split a cell by selecting it and choosing the Split Cell option. As you can see, you can also add or delete rows and columns from here. If your table contains data, you can sort it in ascending or descending order. The Set Column Type option allows you to define what kind of data goes into a column like Date drop-down File or People. Let's select Date for now. You can also increase or decrease the size of rows and columns. And if you want everything evenly sized, you can distribute rows and columns equally. If you want to clear all formatting, go to View More Actions and click Clear Formatting. Now, besides the right-click menu, you also have more options under Table Options. You can access it from the right-click menu or from the top right side of the menu bar. Let's quickly add some text and resize the table before exploring these options. The first option is Quick Layouts, which gives you preset templates. These layouts automatically position your table at the top center or bottom of the page alongside text. Table options control the overall styling, including text wrapping, how text flows around the table, and the table margins. You can also fix the table position on the page or let it move dynamically with the text. The column option lets you set the exact width in inches. Just like the right-click menu, it also includes a data type dropdown. In the row option, you can set a minimum row height, pin header rows, and control whether rows can break across pages. In the cell option, you can adjust vertical alignment, top, middle, or bottom, and also change cell padding to control the space between text and borders. Under color, you can change border color thickness and also apply background color to highlight sections. Text inside the table can be formatted just like normal text. You can align it left, center, or right, and change the font size and color. So that's how you create and format a table in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, what problem do you want me to solve next? Take care and see you in the next video.